cake is a composition for me. Later I can duplicate a lot of cakes if this cake is a composition. If let's say you're very hardworking, you want to reanimate different kind of animation cakes, then you repeat all the steps. For me, I'm a lazy person, so I don't want. This is my cake composition. Look at here, cake compositions. So what I will do, I will create a new comp. This time 3 seconds, and I want to animate the presents, present and ribbons and lines. So I click and drag down, skew up, of course, around like this. So I just drag this down. Again, I will animate positions and rotations. P for position, R for rotations. 10 frame at the back. Move to back. And then beginning, I will just move out. And I want to rotate for how many times? Maybe 3 this. So I have rotation down this time, and then again I don't want my animation so static, come down and then not fun at all. I want some skew. 2 frame at the back, I move slightly smaller. 2 frame at the back, I copy this and paste. So I have these animations. If you play, this animation is funnier. I have that bounce effect. Alright? And then same goes to the ribbon now. Ribbon, I want some animation like this. From center come out. You can animate the scale as well. It's up to you. For me, I prefer masking. To mask, you can use the rectangle tool to mask like that. Or you can just double click. After Effects will mask how big is the layer size. It will mask for you. Same goes to the rounded rectangle or ellipse tool. Is the same. For example, if I'm using ellipse tool now, the circles tool, I double click, it will be a circles mask. Exactly the layer size. Alright, now I use the rectangle tool to animate a mask. Same thing, you can go to layer here. Where is my... Oh yeah, I have a mask yet. Double click, I have a mask ready. You look at here, there is a mask layers now. Last time we only have a transform. Now, whenever you apply the mask here, you can animate the mask as well. So after my box come in like this, and then I want to mask my mask path, the shape of my mask. You can, if you're hardworking, you can slowly animate like that if you're hardworking. But for me, maybe this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will just double click it and then I adjust the animation like that. Okay? So that I have these animations. When I come in and then my mask come out. Okay? Same thing, before that I don't want to see. So come in like that. Now the final one is the ribbon. I animate the skew. Maybe this time halfway the mask open like that. That time my skew come in. My ribbon come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0. Same thing, when the ribbon come in, I don't want just come in like that. I want some bounce animation. 2 frame at the back and just smaller. 2 frame. So I have these animations. Okay? And then I don't care already, rename the comp. This is a present. I open a new comp again. The music, this music, where is the music notes, and then CD and shadow, where is the shadow layers? I have these two layers, and then I have a shadow. Where is the shadow? Okay, shadow. Alright, same thing. I scale up everything. Now my CD in the center, my music note I want to put aside here. My shadow, of course, like this. So that I have a shadow like that. So for my music notes, very simple. I just want for my mono disc, black disc we call it. I just want it spin like this. Okay, very simple. You go to rotation, click. Maybe in 3 second time, if you want rotate for 5. So when you play, I have a spinning effect. Okay? And then for this music notes, I want it float like this. Still remember last week we learned a code, right? Wiggle. So this is wiggle what? Up, down, left, right. That is a positions. So I go to positions, hold down alternate and click. Alright? Hold down alternate and click, and then wiggle. Again, I repeat, the first number is in 1 second. You want it wiggle how many times? So this time I think 3 times. Maybe too much, I don't know. Comma. The second number will be how many amount you want it wiggle. The biggest amount, the more it wiggle. Let's try 10. So when I play, do you find okay? Or too big movement? Too big movement. So you lower down maybe 5. I play. Okay. I don't know, you adjust yourself later, okay? What I will do is I just duplicate few more. I just duplicate few more. Maybe some bigger and here. Too big. Again, this is better you design everything in AI before you import in. You see, if I scale it will pixelize, it will blur. And then I can adjust all the timing. Let's say this one I want every second wiggle 2 times, and then the wiggle is 6. Another one every second wiggle 4 times. 4. So I have all different movement. If you have a look. Okay? You can even change the color. How to change the color here? In Photoshop, you fill in a color, am I right? Right click, blending option, fill in. Let's say I want to change this color mode. You can do that. You can right click. Where is that already? Blending, not blending mode, layer style, color overlay. Same like your Photoshop, am I right? Color, layer style, color overlay. So, what color you want? Red color or brown color or what? Okay, green color. For another one also, I right click, layer style, color overlay. Okay, red color this time. So I have 3 different animations. This is music. Okay, let me stop